So today is the day that the film that I've been working on with Wright Archive comes out, or the premiere. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take you guys with me and see how it goes. I'm so excited. I think around like 400 plus people are coming to the show, bought tickets, and it's gonna be crazy. Like, that many people are gonna see something that I was a part of and like I edited. So it's kind of crazy. Man, this is my outfit right now. I still don't know what I'm gonna wear, and it's stressing me out because I have like a couple options. I have this like top that I made, like a little DIY thing. I just like got this up shop. I like just got this shirt from the up shop and like gathered it and stuff. It's cute. So that top with these cord Levi pants, I love them so much. And then, or these pants again with this Rouge knit top that I bought. It's pretty cute. Or this Skims bodysuit that I got recently. It's this grey with these grey jeans as well. But yeah, all neutral colours because, you know, you already know I love it. It's good. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my makeup and I'll be back. Okay, I'm done my makeup. She's cute. So I'll try on the first outfit. I kind of think I already know which one I want to wear, but I'll try them on anyway. So this is the first outfit. I'm not sure. So this is the top I made. She's like cute. She's got a little button. I don't know, I don't think I'll wear this, but it's cute, just like casual. But I like it. Yeah, okay, so this is the next top. So it's like this knit one shoulder kind of thing going on with the pants. I don't like it. I hate it. Like, I like the pieces by themselves but not together, if that makes sense. But it's a cute top, but not with the pants. I don't know. Okay, so this is the third option, which I think I'm gonna go with because I love it. I think I'm just gonna wear some nude heels, and yeah, then I have to add my little crew card thing, custom crew thingy. This is the custom crew card. It has my name on it. This was the last one I won. If you've seen the video, I'll pop the video wherever it is, so you can watch it. Yeah, so I'm just putting it backwards because I don't want it to flip and show the other one. So to add it to my pants, you know what I'm saying? Ta-da! But yeah, I realized some of you don't really know what's going on. So for the past few months, I've been working on a film with Wright Archive. I've been editing the film, written and directed by Lucky Selma Litchfield. Shout out. So I'm gonna read the synopsis for you. So the hero, Heredia, engages in a series of enlightening interactions with an array of idiosyncratic individuals that steer him away from a life of grey mediocrity. But yeah, that's what it's about. I don't want to give too much away, but yeah, I'm excited. It's been a crazy experience. I'm so grateful to be a part of this project. I'm so thankful for everyone in Wright. I'm gonna cry, oh my god. But I just want to say thank you to everyone because, yeah, everyone just welcomed me in with open arms. But yeah, I don't want to ruin my makeup, but I'm very grateful for all of you. Thank you guys, I love you. You're some of the most amazing people I've ever met. I'm so happy I got to meet and work with all of you. But yeah, I'll forever miss coming into the studio and like working with you guys. But yeah, it's been great. I love you. But yeah, thanks. I don't want to cry anymore, so I'm gonna stop. But I love you. Yeah, I also wanted to show you guys some of the show notes. Basically everything about the movie is in here, and like behind the scenes and stuff. I don't want to show you too much, but you can buy this if it doesn't sell out. You can buy it on the website after the film, after the premiere. But yeah, this is just like the script and like the annotations and stuff. But yeah, this is the one of the movie posters. It's really nice. There's me sitting in the corner. But yeah, this is the group photo of all of us. And then where's me? And then there's me, if you can see. There. Janelle Garcia, editor. Wow. I'm an editor now. I edit a movie. Wow. What did you do? Nah. But yeah, that's the show notes, and they're pretty thick. But yeah, and then this is the CD of the original soundtrack. Wow, she's cute. Yeah, so all the music that we used in the film were all made by Mark and Will. Shout out if you're watching, probably not, but Mark. But yeah, Mark Ashford and Will Brito. Check them out, really good. I'll play some of that in the car later. But yeah, woo. But yeah, I'm scared for everyone to see it. But yeah, again, I'm so grateful to be a part of this project. So much work and effort has been put into this. It's been, I don't even know how many months of just filming, editing, and everything else that comes with it, like merch and post and all the graphic design stuff. But yeah, and it's all gonna be shown tonight, and it's kind of scary. Oh, but yeah, I don't know what else to say. But yeah, I'm probably gonna head off soon and go to the studio, and you can probably see everyone. But yeah. I'm in my car about to leave. I'm just gonna put the, the CD in and show you guys. Wow. Pop you up here. Okay. Woo. I've never put a CD in here. This will be the first one. I'm scared. How do you do it? Oh, there's something in there. I didn't even know. How do you eject it? Oh, there. I don't know what this is. What? Okay. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna switch over to my phone because I can't put this on my camera. I'm on my car. But yeah. I don't have a pause button, so I'm just gonna turn it off. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna drive. I'm going to drive to my boyfriend's house because I have curfew because I'm on my P's, so I won't be able to drive home. So I'm gonna drive to my boyfriend's house and then Uber from there to the studio. But yeah, we're going. I'm so excited. But yeah. Play a song for you. I'll play my favorite one, which is the last song. It's kind of a spoiler, but it's the best song, so I'm gonna play it anyway. I just don't know how to fucking use my own car. I think it's track 10. No. Okay, so yeah, so this is the song, my favorite song. So this is the song that plays on the last scene. It just makes it so much better. Also, like when I was editing the movie, like when we didn't have any music, it was like, I mean, it was alright, but like it wasn't bad. But with the music, it just makes it like so much better. And I remember the first time we watched it with music, it like gave me chills, and I was like, this is really good. The music just makes everything, and it's so good. I honestly don't know how they do it. But yeah, this is fun. I just got here. I'm gonna come walking.
Welcome back to my channel! Let's go! YouTube! It's me, the one you've been hearing all about.
Hello.
Hello.
This is studio. Wow. Vlog.
You're a vlogger, Janelle. You have to love it. Yeah. Give us a. Hi guys, welcome back.
We're doing men's makeup today. I don't remember what I did.
It was just a messy, glittery color fashion.
Yeah, that's good.
And they take longer to get ready on the suit.
Lockie Summer Litchfield. Yes, here. Harrison Gahadi. Yes. Joshua Reese. Declan McPhail. Yeah. Haritia Cassandra.
He's in the car.
Right. He's in the car?
Yeah, he didn't come with us.
George.
As if
not
I
here.
didn't come.
Mina. Yes. Ben. Yeah. Edel. Present. Arrigo. Yeah. Khalil. Milkius. Yeah. Brendan. Nah. Janelle.
Yes.
Megan.
Yeah.
Kirsty.
Yeah.
Kim.
Yeah.
John.
Yay.
You guys can go in and see if it's time to get ready. Oh, it's supposed to be Harry. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm vlogging. You wanna be my vlog? Are you on the vlog? Hey Kim. Hi Janelle. Oh, I can't see shit.
We're at the Wright premiere. This is the space.
Oh yeah. Wow, it's gonna be on that screen. I'm scared. They're just setting up the racks for the merch. Nice. And they're practicing over there. I made that.
Is it not in here? This needs to be way like 10 times louder. Yeah. Come straight down with. Let's go. Forget me, dude. Movie made. Movie finished. Movie premiered.
Doors opening. What is it?
It's just so packed, no one can move.
Oh my god.
Cool. There's a lot of people. I can see Corey at the door.
I want to see.
Doors are open, baby. Let's go. It's so busy.
Oh my god. Ate. Richard. Look up here.
Look up. Oh, this is so adorable. It's so sweet.
I cried. Yours now.
Oh, the thickest one.
Wow.
Yes, thank you, Harry. That's you. Where's
Where's
you?
my dad?
There's you. That's so cute. Very rare.
Okay, so It's like a few days later. Last night was the second screening and it went pretty good. There's probably like 80 people, including all of us. But yeah, it went really well. I feel like this time it was like fun. Sunday night was fun. It was just a bit stressful, but I feel like last night it was chill and we were just like actually watching the movie and not stressing about anything. And yeah, it was really good. But yeah, the premiere was really good. Everyone gave us like a standing ovation, you know, where yeah, I also forgot to like mention in the whole video that there's a runway after, if you didn't know. But all the outfits in the movie were all created by Wright and they were all upcycled and sustainable, you know. But yeah, so after the movie played, there was a runway with all the costumes and all the actors that wore them. They walked the runway, which was like just around the cinema. It was so good. Like everyone was just clapping and like the credits were like on the screen. When I saw my name up on the screen, I like full cried because like it's literally been one of my dreams to have like edited by Janelle Garcia, because like ever since I found my love for editing, I felt like editing a movie was like the top, like my dream to do, like thing to do, like as an editor. Whenever my boyfriend and I watch movies and the credits come, it's like edited by this person, blah blah, and I was like, I want that to be me. And then yeah, and it's happened because but yeah, I just got really emotional also because like we just did this whole thing, this huge thing, and it's all come to an end. But yeah, it went really well. Everyone did such a good job, and it's so good to see it be appreciated by everyone. And it was like, but yeah, but all of the costumes are on the Instagram, the Wright Instagram. So if you're interested in that, go have a look. But yeah, oh, and I also got this hoodie. It says "Watch the world go by." But yeah, that's the whole thing. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and thank you to everyone who came and watched the movie. I'll see you guys in my next video.